I think it's vital to have that support information for people. I'm quite independent, but a lot of people may not feel that confident about it. And I think when you first start something like direct payments, you need that sort of network to back up for yourself and your people you're bringing into it, whether you're employing partly through the help of something like Pendle's Trust or Dowis, or whether you're going to do it all yourself. You need somebody that you can refer back to, because you may not be sure that you're doing the right thing. Your PAs and care staff may think that they also need some guidance because they're not sure whether everything's correct, because you have got employment law to consider, you have got legal responsibility to make sure that they're safe, you're safe,